We got a new package for a friend of mine. Actually, this is the clutch kit from Suzuki. This is a brand new clutch kit, and comes in the regular box. So this is for the 2006 to 2007 gsxr 750. It's genuine Suzuki parts, and as you can see, there's a part number. And it's a clutch plate kit. Comes with everything you see in here. And we're gonna flip the box. And that's the part number, if you want to read the specifications. And that's about it. Comes with the regular box. I got it from eBay, as always. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside, because one of my friends, we were riding, and then we went to motorcycle races, and then he ended up sorry for the camera angles, but recording myself. Yeah, he was riding, and then they burnt the clutch out of his bike. So we're gonna show you what's inside the box. Hopefully, shit. Okay, there's nothing there. Put it here. Then I believe this is the gasket. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 clutch springs. That's the part number if you need it. And these are the steel plates. One, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 7 steel plates. Comes with the kit. And we got our clutch plates, and these are the part number. And this is another part number, so I believe that goes all the way on the back. And this one, okay, these ones are the same. That's, yeah, the same. This one is the same, and that one the same, and same. So all these ones are the same. I think this one goes all the way in the back or on the front, but you can see the part numbers are different. And like I said, that's the clutch springs, the clutch plates, and the friction plates. And also we got the gasket, but see if I don't damage. Okay, so you can see that everything. So as you can see, this is a complete kit for the Suzuki gsxr 600. It only fits the 600, 2006 to 2007. That's the part number for the complete clutch kit. And this one doesn't show a part number, but either way. So that's everything. And we paid for all of this $125. That's with shipping and handling. And it took roughly 3 days to get here to Arizona. It's pretty fast. So tomorrow I'm gonna be installing it on his bike and see what everything goes well. And then replace the oil and the filter, so everything is clean and new, and hopefully it rides better and has some more drag passes on it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you soon, and I'll be uploading more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.